The modern production of smoked salmon in an industrial facility begins with the rigorous selection and preparation of high-quality raw materials. Fresh or frozen at-sea salmon, typically of the Atlantic species, is received. After thawing, if frozen, the fish are filleted by automated machines with precision blades to ensure consistent portion sizes and minimal waste. The fillets then undergo a meticulous trimming process where bones, pin bones, and any discolored sections are removed, often assisted by advanced optical sorting systems and skilled workers using tweezers. The core of the flavor and preservation is achieved through a two-step curing process. First, the fillets are either immersed in a brine solution or have a dry mixture of salt, sugar, and sometimes spices applied to their surface. This step, crucial for moisture control and taste, is precisely timed and temperature controlled. Following curing, the fillets are rinsed and placed on racks to form a glossy, protein-rich layer called the pellicle in a dedicated drying tunnel with controlled air circulation. This pellicle is essential as it allows the smoke to adhere properly to the fish. The actual smoking is conducted in fully automated, large-capacity smoking kilns. These computer-controlled chambers use sophisticated smoke generators that vaporize hardwood sawdust, like beech or oak, at controlled temperatures, typically between 20 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius for cold smoking. The smoke density, humidity, and duration are precisely monitored to achieve the desired golden color, subtle aroma, and exact moisture content without cooking the fish, thus maintaining its silky, raw texture. The final stages focus on preservation, packaging, and safety. After smoking, the salmon is rapidly chilled through a blast chiller to ensure food safety. It then proceeds to slicing machines, where high-tech blades cut it into uniform thin slices, either for pre-packaged portions or bulk wholesale. The sliced salmon is then packaged in a modified atmosphere environment, where oxygen is replaced with gases like nitrogen and carbon dioxide to drastically extend shelf life while preserving freshness, color, and texture. Each batch undergoes rigorous quality control checks, including microbiological testing, before being labeled and distributed to markets.